Spring really is my favourite time of year. So I have just been relishing in everything that this season brings us. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous spring morning. The sun's out, the birds are chirping, and I'm going to water the garden. I'm watering by hand because I haven't got my automatic system set up yet this year. We'll get that organised in the next few days. It's just so exciting seeing everything coming through. There are my rocket seeds that I planted just a few days ago. They pop through so quickly. They're a brilliant thing to grow. Lovely in salads and have a nice nutty sort of bitter flavour, but they're really yummy. Meanwhile, Sid is doing what he does best. He jumped into my side of the bed after I got up. Off for a walk this morning. And yes, that's our entire driveway. I thought I'd take you on some of our little country roads from our house. Often of a morning, this is the time when I say my little morning prayer that I learned from Sonia Choquette, and it starts off, Divine Spirit within me, please take me in the direction of my highest good this day. Please help me too, and then I carry on with what I want help with. After our walk, I paid a visit to the local community garden. So this is about 12 minutes away from where we live in a little village. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous space. They've done an amazing job with it, and you can come here and pick anything you want. So I was wanting some parsley for a fish pie, and I got some lemons as well, which was really great because I'm going to squeeze those and put them in the freezer for when I need lemon juice. There's my parsley, so flat leaf parsley, and I managed to find some curly parsley as well. This is all run by volunteers locally, so it's a really amazing space. And on the way home, I managed to get even more lemons, which was really awesome. And the area we live in, I mentioned in my previous vlog that we have a lot of roadside stalls, so I thought I'd take you on some of these as I drove home. This one is about 7 minutes from our house, and avocados they grow, and this time they had these great big ones for $1 each. Usually they have bags of 2 or 3 for $2, but they're much smaller. So I picked these up on the way past. Another little roadside stall. Home now with my herbs that I got from the community garden. And I thought I would dry some of these. I've been drying herbs from our garden for the last couple of years. So I thought I'd dry some of these because I have more than I need for my fish pie tonight. Now to juice the lemons. This machine is wonderful. It did belong to my mother-in-law, and it's so good. It's really quick and easy. Does a great job. I put the rinds aside and did a quick Google and discovered that these are really good sprinkled through the garden to help with insects and bugs. So I minced those up in the food processor, and I'll go and sprinkle those around the vegetable garden a little bit later. Time for a cup of tea, and now I'm going to show you how to make the chocolate and nut clusters. So first up, you want your raw nuts and seeds on a tray that you're going to put into the oven. You can use a selection of whatever nuts and seeds you have on hand, and they go in there at about, I put them at about probably 150 Celsius for about 20 minutes to start with, and then just see how you go, whether they need a little bit more. You might want to sort of mix them around a bit. And now break up the chocolate, pop it in the microwave for a couple of minutes to start until it's completely melted. The nuts are looking like they're done. Scoop the nuts up and put them into your melted chocolate. You kind of just have to gauge how much you need, but make sure you put plenty in and stir them really, really well. And once you've stirred them in, see if you can perhaps get a few more in, because the more nuts you can get in there in comparison to the chocolate, the healthier it is, or at least that's the way I look at it. So once you've got your mixture ready, then it's time to spoon it onto a baking sheet. And I use teaspoons for this so that my nut clusters aren't too big, so that I'm not eating too much chocolate. Then into the fridge they go. And they don't take long at all to set, probably 10 or 15 minutes. And then they're ready. I pop them in a jar, put them back in the fridge, and they're there for snacks throughout the week. Out of that 1 bar of chocolate and the nuts, I probably put about 2 cups of nuts in. I got 40 clusters. Back out in the garden now, there are some more chamomile flowers there, ready to be harvested. This becomes quite a big job in the summer once these plants get much bigger. And Sid and I are off for an afternoon walk. And my neighbour had some free irises, so I picked those up and I'll put them in the garden. Fish pie for dinner tonight, and I will show you how I made this in the next video. And the way that I have discovered to make white sauce or cheese sauce, that is the easiest ever. And I actually came up with it myself. Time to chill out now, catch up on some of my favourite YouTubers, and think about getting ready for bed.